I'm definitely not recording my intro after this is already done. Like, oh my goodness, I realized I did the same thing. I don't want to say all right, guys. We're going back at it. I sound like a kid commentary channel. I was thinking one of the first ideas was I am here and so are y'all. But that's kind of mid. Like, this is the... We can follow my hero on This Is the Story on how I became a better artist. Wait! I look, you think that's fire. Y'all should tell me if it is or not. It's gonna be my last commented video. It's gonna say it's all horrible. Alright, see y'all. Wait, why am you saying see you on the intro? That's special. That's special. I'm leaving all of this in, by the way, but yeah, this will be one final thing. I'll make sure to include the other one too. Alright. Bye, Nat. I'm tweaking. Okay. Into the video. Alright, welcome back to this one. So, I got my different pencil. I got my 6B to hopefully get a little darker. Yeah. Because I don't have a, I do have a charcoal pencil, so maybe I might get that out. But I gotta sharpen that right. It's always, I've had failed sharpening attempts on that. So, I don't know about that. Does that look dark enough? I really can't tell. That's supposed to be that light. I do have my blending stump, if you can see it right here, it rolled off. So we will be blending probably shigaraki first, because he's already almost done. Just needs these darker spots made darker. Like this. And then most of that's pretty light. Besides up here, but I'll use a pencil for this because it's just a little darker. You know, this light where it comes from is weird. I brought this up in my other video, but like, I really do like Horikoshi's art style. I think it's really good. I think he's got a really good art style. He's not my favorite. I think I like Akira Toriyama's more. Just because that's like the show I grew up with. I grew up with Dragon Ball. It's like there's just, his art style is just something. And then over here is darker. Okay. Alright, well, let's try with the blending stump. It's been a while since I used one of these. That sound. Jeez, I might cut the sound from this part if it's as annoying as that is. I might cut it and voice it over. Jeez, that sound that. Ooh. Right, well, I'm gonna continue this. This may be I'm gonna voice this. I'm still gonna talk here, But if it's bad, I'm not including it. And I'll voice it over. But, I can hear it through my headphones. This is absurdly annoying. But blending stumps are goated. Whenever I learned about them, I'm like, oh man, you tell me I didn't have to use a pencil for it? I didn't have to use an eraser and pencil and just genuinely be goated for it? Speaking of goated, I have a friend, it makes me mad because he's actually good at art. And like, you know how like whenever you like know someone and they're just like better than you and like you know it but you hate it? Like, I'm better than him in some ways, but like, man, it makes me mad. Like, he should be making a YouTube channel soon, and I'll make sure to shout that out whenever he does. But man, it like I'm glad he's good at it, and I'm glad he's able to enjoy it. But man, but yeah, no, blending stumps are really good. They're a really good, helpful item. Because they keep it from you having to figure out how to do all that. Jeez, it's like nails on a chalkboard for my ears. But like, it amplifies a drawing so much whenever you use a blending stump. You know, I never gave his gums texture. The texture improves that a blending stump gives is coated. See, like, I say it looks better. Some might say it doesn't, some might say it does. Some might say it looks horrible in general, but hey, it's my drawing, I think it looks good. That's all I really care about. That's all you can care about, though. If you're drawing, someone could say it's bad, but it's your drawing. As long as you think it's good, it's good. But yeah, I'm hoping for this to be the final video of it, so I do low-key gotta lock in, and not just sit here and rant and talk. You know what I hate? I hate reaction content. Reaction content is kind of like the most brain-dead content out there. Like my least favorite one is trying to watch reaction content. Do it, try not to laugh. Because half the videos aren't even funny. I'm sitting there straight face like, dude, like, how's this funny? And look, it just annoys me. And like, reaction content is so brain dead. I'm gonna sit here and watch a video and then just sit here and just talk on the video. Like, you get what you need to say filled in. Everything's all good. It's all easy. It's like the most easiest content you can do. Besides AI content. If you do AI content, you suck. So like, I'm not like an AI hater. Like, I don't. But like, geez, if you're just using an AI voice, just use your real voice. It could be a 10-year-old, but people would be so much happier to hear a squeaker than hearing AI. But no. And then like on TikTok, all it is just AI stories at this point. Like, some of them are good, but most of them are just short. And like, No one wants to bother posting part 2s on them. You gotta go like search and like you're trying to find the one piece sometimes for a certain one. It just gets on my nerves. Man, I need these videos to start going better so I can think about getting a capture card. Cause man, my phone storage just said it's full. Dragon Ball Legends and be taking too much from me. Take my soul to use at this point. I think this will make it darker. Let's blend it a little better. Like this. That's not horrible. This jawline's like, I don't know how to. I might just remove this jawline somehow. Cause jeez, it gets on my nerves. Too sharp. I think that's just how it's staying. I think this is. I don't really want to finish this speech bubbles. I guess. Well, no, I'm gonna finish this background like this. Wait, I missed a spot with the blending stump. Also, I did hear it sounds the exact same in video because I was double checking. I was seeing when this video cut off to see if I needed to say anything important. That I was saying. Oh, jeez. I don't know if you like that sound or not. So, I do read my comments, so I'll show a clip of it. But yeah, most of this will be voiced over. I'll just say the same things. Maybe we'll revisit this one in the future. But I think this may be the final part for it. I'm hoping to eventually get a capture card so I can like record like a lot more drawing in one video. Like I'll still like upload like tiny ones to like give y'all like, hey, this is the next drawing coming up, like y'all got any ideas? Just so y'all can still give ideas for it and it's not just only me. So yeah. I'll figure out how to do it though. But I would love to get better for y'all, so I will be trying to get better from now on. That's my New Year's resolution, become better at drawing. And hit 1K subs, but that one's not as achievable and as easy to do as getting better at drawing isn't easy to do either, but those are my 2 goals for the new year. We'll see if we can manage one. Hopefully it's getting better at drawing and 1K subs. I'd prefer both, but I don't think there's any more saving I can really do for this drawing. So I think that's it. This has been a... Let's see. I think this is part 7? I don't want to say it. I hate that. I hate it. I hate it that they ruined it. Because I was going to say it's either part 6 or 7. But then it's just 6, 7, 6, 7. So but I don't think there's any more fixing I can really do for it. There's too many like lower issues. Oh wait, I can give Shigaraki's little I am things he has. Like this. Like that. But yeah. Oh, man. I think that might be the end. This might be a short one. I don't know how long this is right now. I don't know why my phone's not showing me it. But I think that's it. So, final part. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I'm going to try to keep up with some different series. I won't try to run too many drawings at once. I'll try to, I'm eventually going to get a capture card just to make it to where I can do more than just like 2 at once, because I can sit there and draw a different one. So, alright. Remember, go beyond plus ultra. Alright, y'all have a fantastic day or night.